Now, when you desire to manifest something, we always say that focus on the end goal. Focus on the end result, what you are manifesting, which is absolutely fine, which it should be. But there are many of you who are thinking about your goals, desires, and dreams, but you are not able to manifest it. And you are wondering why. You believe in the law of attraction, you believe in the power of subconscious mind, you believe in God, universe, everything, but you are not able to manifest. And then sometimes you wonder why it's not working for me. It's because there are some blocks you have created within your subconscious mind. Now, I have explained it before in my earlier videos that the law of attraction is always working for all of us without any bias or without any fault. But how the law of attraction is going to help us in our alignment of manifestation totally depend upon what are the beliefs and the thoughts we are having inside our subconscious mind. That is why the subconscious mind is the key to the manifestation part. Now, many people, when they have some goals, desires, and dreams, they have the dreams, but they have a lot of blocks related to that dream, and that is holding them back. So, today I want you to find that block and break that block. Now, how you are going to find that block? First, for today or for this experiment for next couple of days, first choose just one manifestation that you want to have for some time. And if you are not able to manifest, what is that one thing? First choose it and then ask yourself why you are not able to achieve it. And when you ask the why, the reason should not be something outside. It should not be that the economy is down, there is a pandemic, or there is the government is not taking the right things, or I am at the wrong place, or my family is not supporting, or people are not helping me. I am not asking you to find this kind of reasons. Find the why, which is relevant to only you. Why you are not able to manifest or achieve it. Maybe you are procrastinating, maybe you are lazy, maybe you are full of anxiety, maybe you are stressful, maybe you are fearful, maybe you are doubtful, maybe you are not taking care of the things that you're supposed to take, maybe you are not organizing yourself, maybe you are not being proactive, maybe you are not loving the process, what you're supposed to do to achieve this goal. So find what is that why, that block within you, within your mindset or within your activity or within the things that you are doing during the day. Find the why. And let me tell you, that is the biggest block, because I know that many people, especially there are students who want to score well in their exams, but they are procrastinating, or they are feeling lazy, or they keep saying that I hate my studies, and then all of a sudden they want to do good in their exam. So they have already created such block. Or people who want to manifest dream jobs, so they keep on saying that, oh, I don't have the talent, I don't have the skill, I am shy, I don't have the confidence, I cannot speak well, I don't have the talent and skill, I don't get the interview calls. So they keep on saying like this. You have to find your blocks like that. Ask yourself why I'm not able to manifest, and then form an affirmation, a positive statement, and repeat that again and again and again and again and again and again and again until you change that block, you remove that block, you do that mind hack and reprogram your mind for this manifestation. For example, if you are procrastinating, you have to reprogram that you are active, you are on time, you are doing everything actively, you love the process. If you are struggling in studies and you hate your studies but you have to study, you have to change it that I love to study, I love these subjects, I am scoring so well. So you have to reprogram. Now choose this one affirmation or two affirmations for this particular thing and write it in a post-it pad or a paper and say it hundreds of times during the day, as many times as you can, so that it will go deep inside your mind and you break that limiting belief. Once you hack your subconscious mind, this block will be gone, then your manifestation will start happening at rocket speed.